शायद यही मेरे लिए मसलियत खुदा थी, मुझे एक बार गिरना था संभलने से पहले। Why and how I failed in my AKU entrance exam. Hello everyone, this video is my story, my experience for all my juniors who wanted to appear in AMCAT examinations this year. I hope my experience and mistakes, which are a big no to repeat, will help you fly higher and higher as it have helped me to get into my dream university. To know my biggest life mistakes which I did in my AKU entrance exam, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So the first question, who am I? I am currently pursuing MBBS at my dream university. I have cleared my AMCAT examinations in 2016, have done my boards 11th and 12th from Aga Khan University Board. I was the first position holder in pre-medical department in AKU board all over Pakistan. I also had earned distinctions in chemistry and biology in AKU board all over Pakistan. But still I failed in its entrance examination. Reason? Exam was difficult. No. I was not prepared academically. No. I did many silly mistakes. Yes. So, last day of my AKU entrance examination ki raat thi. I was still completing my course. I was still doing my new chapters and instead of revising my old chapters, and that was my biggest dumb mistake. See the consequence. I was still completing my course at night rather than revising, and I left my all physics ke formulas to be revised in the morning. I thought it would be done in like completely 10 minutes mein ho jayega. In the morning I had severe anxiety issues, confidence की problem बहुत हो गई थी. I had vomiting, nausea, जैसे घबराहट होती है पेपर से पहले, तो इतनी ज़्यादा हो गई थी because it was my first attempt, dream university का सवाल था. तो I just left it because time नहीं बचा था. And when I reached there, I realized कि physics के numericals और formulas ही revise नहीं हुए. Dump, right? And this is what happened, the very biggest mistake of my life. Instead of revising, I did the whole new chapters. मैंने physics के formulas ही नहीं किए, and that is why जब मैं वहाँ पहुँची मैंने अपना पूरा AKU examinations में पूरे 30 to 40 MCQs of physics छोड़ दिए because मुझे आते ही नहीं थे. I knew every single thing, but formulas में जो एक प्रॉब्लम थी, प्लस माइनस की साइन थी, मैंने कुछ रिवाइज ही नहीं किया था. So my second mistake was, nobody told me how entrance exam is gonna be like. It was my first ever entrance examination. Every teacher prepared me academically, course-wise, हर चीज़ पढ़ा दी, formulas पढ़ा दी, physics की tricks पढ़ाते हैं, जो normal test वगैरह करते हैं, they all are entirely different from your exam, जो आपने entrance exam में करना होता है. It's just like a rat race. Whatever the MCQs you know, you just have to mark it down very quickly without revising it first, and then afterwards you do not know all those MCQs जो आपको नहीं आते उनको mark out करना है, उनको बाद में आपने mark करना है, आपने फिर उनको flag करना है या ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम में, और आपने उनको बाद में देखना है. आपने एक MCQ पर जस्ट लाइक मी, मैं एक MCQ पे अटक गई थी, रुक गई थी और मैं वही देके जा रही थी, उसको उसी टाइम पे रिवाइज करे जा रही थी. आई वॉज फोकसिंग ऑन वन MCQ एंड गिविंग इट मोर माई टाइम एंड माई एनर्जी एंड वेस्टिंग द टाइम विच हैज़ टू बी लेफ्ट फॉर ऑल दोज MCQs जो मेरे और ईजी थे, जो नॉर्मल हो जाते. ओनली अ फ्यू डेज बिफोर माई एंट्रेंस माई बोर्ड रिजल्ट्स केम आउट. The news of my positions was all over my relatives and friends. Okay, so for all those who do not know me, I am a low-key person and I cannot perform well once I'm on spotlight. Many relatives started to say, भाई आपने तो टॉप किया है, आपका एडमिशन नहीं होगा तो किसका होगा? These statements were a lot of pressure on me, as if everybody's eyes were on me, on my very single act. Then boom. I just lost all my self-belief and confidence and was constantly questioning my every act. I was even not sure कि क्या रिवाइज करना है, क्या मैं सही कर रही हूँ या गलत कर रही हूँ. अगर मैं नहीं हुआ एडमिशन, whenever always think about it, whenever your fear is more greater than the excitement of your success, you'll fail. And that is my personal experience. जब कभी भी whenever I have thought of my success and I have more excitement in my life about my success, I always have achieved more. But जब fear आपकी position ले लेता है, then boom, you have lost the game already. So don't let the peer pressure, don't let your friends pressure, don't let your relatives pressure crap you out. So the lesson learned is, do not panic, give the best on your test examination for yourself, for your family members. Do not listen to your relatives' crap. Do not listen to your friends' crap, whoever they are, whatever they are bruising around, whatever they are saying, demotivating you, and do not hear your inner negative self-talks. Please avoid that for just 1 week. I know it happens. We all kind of have those thoughts in our life जब हम ये सोचते हैं कि हम कुछ नहीं कर सकेंगे, हम लूज़र हैं, हम ये कर सकते हैं. Just avoid that 1 week before the exam and during the exam. Just focus on, जब आप अपनी रेस और अपने रोड पर फोकस करेंगे ना, and do not focus on what your friends are doing, what अगर आप नहीं कर सके तो आपको क्या नुकसान होगा. My fourth biggest mistake, and indeed the biggest mistake, was not giving attention to my health, which was the most important factor, and it is the most important factor. A few days back, like few weeks back, AKU test I tested positive for dengue, and dengue actually deteriorates your health. There is a lot of pain in your body and that. तो एक तो आपको one side पे there was a body pain that was attacking me and I was not able to complete my course, and then there was a second attack on my, not my immune system, but it was on my emotional system, that since I am right now suffering, I am not able to complete my course because I was given just 1 month time period, just like you guys, you people have right now. Board exams के फौरन 1 month बाद my AKU exam was scheduled, and there was a lack of confidence that I'm not gonna complete my course, and that is why I'm not gonna succeed, because जब आपका course complete नहीं होगा तो that confidence, that boost was not there. Just remember, don't panic if you have a ton of topics remaining and only 10 days or 15 days, or 1 month, or 1 week, or even 1 day is left to complete them all. Listen, MCAT is not only a test of your academic strengths. It is more of a test of your confidence, smart moves, cool, relaxed mind. And ये सोचना कि सबका ये complete हो चुका होगा, yeah, it is not mandatory for you to complete the whole entire course for MCAT. MCAT में वही चीज़ें आती हैं जो आप 11, 12, 9, 10 में पढ़ चुके हैं. अगर कुछ रह भी जाता है, माइंड दैट के वो फार्मूलाज ना हो प्लीज़, माइंड दैट के वो किंगडम्स के नाम ना हो प्लीज़. रटाफिकेशन वाली चीज़ें मेन कर लो पहले, कॉन्सेप्ट अपना बना लो. बट अगर कुछ रह भी जाता है तो यू नेवर नो कि पूरा पेपर तो 100 में से 100 MCQs है, 250 MCQs है, जितने भी MCQs हैं वो सारे उसी टॉपिक से तो नहीं आएंगे. देयर इज़ ऑलवेज समथिंग इज़ गोना बी लेफ्ट ऑन द प्लेट. तो उसकी टेंशन लेने की वजह से जो 80% कोर्स कंप्लीट किया है उसको तो मत छोड़ो. The first lesson is revise, revise, revise. Do not leave it for the end. The second lesson is attempt it, wear a watch, and attempt the paper like an art, because it is an art. And do not forget to watch my another video which is on how to attempt an exam, which is gonna be out very soon. And I want you guys to repeat all those mistakes, so that is why I'm gonna tell you every single thing जो छोटी से छोटी होती है, that how to attempt exam, which section to go for first, पहले क्या करना चाहिए, बाद में क्या करना चाहिए, क्या कैरी करना चाहिए, what to do on your exam day and on your exam morning. So be updated and keep watching, and don't forget to pour down your comments, your queries, and don't forget to watch my new video which is gonna be out